Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an omelet. I really love omelets. They're super yummy. I had a request from someone to make an omelet, and it's a video that I've been wanting to do for a while and just haven't gotten around to it. So let's do it. They're really easy to do, simple ingredients, and they're very versatile. You can do all kinds of different ingredients with omelets. Drop a comment down below and let me know what your favorite kind of omelet is. Before we move on, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll know anytime I post a new video. Omelets are really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. Now let's take a look at the ingredients. I have 2 large eggs. I have some bacon that I cooked up earlier. Oh yeah, I love bacon. I got some green onion here. I have some tomato, some cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese that you want. I have a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of water. Some people don't add water. I don't always add it. Some people add milk or cream. Totally up to you. The water or the cream or milk is supposed to enrich the eggs and make them a little more fluffy depending on what you use. Again, totally up to you. Like I said, I don't always use the water. And then with the salt and pepper, if you're using some ingredients like the cheese and the bacon that's kind of salty by itself, then you might want to go pretty light on the salt. Yeah, so here we go. I'm going to add in my water to my eggs, add in my salt and my pepper. There we go. Let's just give this a good mix with a fork or a little whisk. All right, those are ready to go. Excellent. All right, here we are. We're at the stovetop. I have the burner set right around medium heat. We don't want to get this super hot. And I'm using one of my awesome fry pans by Culinary Edge. It has this unique diamond texture on it, which is really neat. It helps provide food, better food release and browning. It has a nice non-stick coating that's ceramic. It's really safe, free of BFOA, BFAS, and cadmium. And so it's totally safe, up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, what's really neat is this pan can go in the oven as is. This handle right here is a really nice stainless steel handle. It's made out of this really sturdy aluminum, which offers even heating. And also, when I'm done, I could throw it in a dishwasher if I want, so it's dishwasher safe. Just really cool, and it's not going to damage the coating by putting it in the dishwasher. And another cool thing is it comes in different colors. We got black, we got red, and we got this cool like pink color. Really cool. And then utensils that I'm using for my omelets, I got this really nice spatula. These are a marbled finish spatula by Culinary Edge as well. It's a very, very sturdy spatula. Makes it really easy to use. The color is very appealing. I really like it. It fits well with my kitchen and everything. It's not gonna scratch my awesome non-stick pan. It's really important when you're using spatulas and stuff with your pan is to not scratch your nice pans. Safe to use, you can put them in the dishwasher. Also, they'll withstand heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So just a really neat little spatula, and they come in a kit with 6 different utensils. Pretty awesome, happy I have them. So what we wanna do is we wanna add just a little bit of oil. I'm just using a little bit of olive oil there. Let's move it around a little bit. And then let's just add a little bit of butter. And just let that butter melt. Turn the pan around a little bit. Hear that nice sizzle. This pan is ready to go. Let's go ahead and just pour our eggs right in there. And then with your spatula, one of these cool spatulas I talked about earlier, you want to come into the side here and bring this in a little bit. And so the egg's gonna go to that spot where there was no egg. And let's do that over here. Okay. Just go over this side and just pour that, see that? Okay. Go to this side. Tilt the pan and let the egg flow down there. And what we're wanting to do is we're wanting to cook the egg all around. And so we're going to keep doing this tilting and letting the extra egg from the top go down to the side. There's also a method where you'll just stir in the middle, and that helps too. There you go. And then once you have it all, pretty much all done, just let it sit there and cook for a little bit longer. It's going to get nice and dry on the edges. We really don't want to overcook this. We don't want it super brown. So there we go. At this stage, it's probably only been about a minute. It's gone pretty fast. What we want to do is add in our toppings, and I'm going to add them onto this side right here. I'm going to do some cheese. And if you just want a cheese omelet, just go with that. I'm going to do some of my tomatoes, green onion, and some of my bacon. Perfect. Now this is ready to go. You can just flip it right in the pan, or what you can do is just take your pan and look how easy it just slides right out. Just let it go halfway and then just let the other top go right on it. Look at that. Awesome. And then I'm going to come in here and put on some more cheese, a few more tomatoes, a couple of our green onions, and of course, a little bit more of the bacon. And there we go, one of my favorite omelets. And that is how you make an omelet. Pretty easy, right? It really helps to have a good non-stick pan. Down below, I'll put a link where you can find the ones from Culinary Edge that I use. I really like those. Also get some nice silicone utensils, like the ones that I use. They're not gonna scrape up your pan. They're just really, really cool. I'll put a link where you can find those down below as well. If you wanna learn how to make chocolate crepes, check out this video right over here. If you wanna learn how to make some amazing waffles, check out this video right down below. And make sure to subscribe in the corner and hit that notification bell. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. Mmm.